Inside Post Malone's car collection. Number 7. 1992 Ford Explorer. You may be familiar with the first-generation Ford Explorer from the first Jurassic Park movie, but rapper Post Malone decided to modify his Ford Explorer, which the original vehicle cost him just under $2,000. He decided to send it to the West Coast to have it modified. Number 6. Chevrolet C10. Post Malone does indeed have a taste for classic cars as well and has a few classic cars in his collection, one of them being his Chevy C10 truck, which cost him around $50,000. It's got a 6.0-liter V8 LS-based engine, a 4L60E gearbox, and has a custom air suspension. Number 5. 1966 Lincoln Continental. The Lincoln Continental was considered the most luxurious car available in the 1960s. Post Malone's Lincoln Continental is white, which is his favorite color, and comes with a convertible roof. And just like his 1992 Ford Explorer, he sent it to the West Coast to have it modified, which cost him a whopping $650,000. Number 4. Hennessy Venom. Post Malone is also the owner of a crazy Hennessy Velociraptor 6X6, which was delivered to him one Christmas morning. The vehicle has indeed been modified, but it originally costed him $350,000, and the price for the modification was around $100,000. Number 3. Rolls-Royce Phantom. Post Malone owns a Rolls-Royce Phantom which cost $455,000, but sadly later sold it for $100,000. The car was also involved in an accident when he was driving it around the city one night. He has brought a new one since, which is a white edition. Number 2. Lamborghini Aventador SV. One of the nicest looking cars in his collection is his Lamborghini Aventador SV, which cost $500,000 and has a V12 engine producing around 640 horsepower and can accelerate from 0 to 60 in 2.7 seconds. Number 1. Bugatti Chiron. This is the most expensive car he owns, costing around £3 million without modifications, and can go as fast as 260 miles per hour. This isn't just the most expensive car the rapper owns, but also the fastest car he owns as well, with a quad-turbo. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.